With Theta's new mainnet 3.0, the organization by and large expects to sort of be the go-to blockchain-fueled content conveyance stage for internet web-based, which is very critical. Will Theta succeed? Which by and large is genuinely huge. Theta essentially is the digital currency driving the Theta organization, and it can fundamentally be marked by those wishing to become validator or gatekeeper hubs, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta permits hubs to approve exchanges, most certainly produce blocks, vote on changes to the organization, and explicitly procure tfuel as a prize in an unobtrusive manner. How accomplishes Theta blockchain work? Truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Theta blockchain, in every practical sense, is a sort of decentralized framework that tries to, in every way that really matters, further develop video web-based and conveyance, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Organizations or sites giving video real-time content explicitly have customarily fundamentally kept everything in one extremely brought-together framework in an especially enormous manner. While this may sort of be helpful right away, assuming that enough watchers for the most part attempt to get to the substance all simultaneously, and explicitly put squeeze on the framework, the stream can in every practical sense become genuinely sluggish and uneven, which is very critical. To cure this, streaming suppliers will by and large settle on a substance conveyance framework, in which they scatter a gathering of servers so watchers don't especially put as much weight on one pretty single passage, guaranteeing an essentially smoother stream, or so they certainly thought. However, this can basically be for the most part expensive in a by and large significant manner. Theta blockchain generally is trying to sort of disturb this model by basically setting up a shared organization that takes advantage of individuals' PCs to especially use their unused data transfer capacity, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Presently, when somebody endeavors to see content that especially is accessible on the Theta organization, a portion of the information driving that content will basically come from the especially principal server facilitating it, while some will basically come from the Theta organization, which in every practical sense shows that now, when somebody endeavors to see content that truly is accessible on the Theta organization, a portion of the information controlling that content will especially come from the fundamental server facilitating it, while some will essentially come from the Theta organization, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. What makes Theta novel, which basically is genuinely critical? Theta's exceptionally fundamental business idea by and large is to decentralize video real-time information conveyance and edge figuring, making it genuinely more proficient, financially savvy, and essentially fair for industry members in a significant manner. The organization truly runs on a local blockchain, with two extremely local tokens, known as Theta, tfuel, controlling the inside economy. So organizations or sites giving video web-based content to all plans and purposes have customarily commonly kept everything in one pretty concentrated framework in a sort of large manner. Theta's very appeal generally is triple. Watchers especially get compensated with sort of better quality web-based feature. Content makers essentially work on their profit, and brokers, video stages, by and large get a good deal on building framework and increment publicizing and membership incomes. Clients really have a motivation to both generally watch network content and offer organization assets, as remunerations come as tfuel tokens, which in every practical sense is very critical. The stage basically will be fundamentally open source, and genuinely token holders by and large get administration abilities likewise, with genuinely many verification of stake-based blockchain biological systems. Theta value expectation for the fundamentally next 10 days, which really is genuinely critical. The very entire crypto world truly is on an edge of a really complete breakdown in a kind of enormous manner. Bitcoin truly has fallen 75% from its record-breaking exceptionally high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. Or so they in a real sense thought. When in a real sense add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon by and large is dinky, and there will in a real sense be genuinely more blood in the city of the crypto town, exhibiting that how accomplishes Theta blockchain work, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Financial backers by and large are selling unsafe resources and moving into, in every practical sense, all the more truly stable business sectors. Showing how to cure this, streaming suppliers will especially decide on a substance conveyance framework, in which they scatter a gathering of waiters so watchers don't generally put as essentially weight on one kind of single passageway, guaranteeing a smoother stream, which is genuinely huge. Crypto really is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe in a real sense play, and consequently the auction, showing how crypto generally is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous most certainly play, and subsequently the offer off, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our algo still sees us some by and large green in 2023, particularly in the fundamentally second piece of the year, exhibiting that while this may commonly be helpful from the start, assuming that enough watchers generally attempt to get to the substance all simultaneously and essentially put squeeze on the framework, the stream can really turn out to be genuinely sluggish and uneven, which for the most part is genuinely huge. This especially is in every practical sense, reflected in our 2023 expectations, which explicitly is genuinely critical. At the present time, Bitcoin certainly needs to find a base before we can move in the very inverse course and especially alter the course, so Theta in every practical sense is the digital money driving the Theta organization, and it tends to be marked by those wishing to basically become validator or watchman hubs, which in every practical sense is very huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will generally begin to for the most part do likewise. We especially have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history, which especially is very huge. Our cost expectation model fundamentally is negative for the most part next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an unobtrusive manner. We explicitly expect whales and truly other sort of greater players in the market to, in every practical sense, wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike, which generally is very huge. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each undertaking in an unobtrusive manner. Essentials that we for the most part assess certainly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative fundamentally potential, and a few most certainly other fundamentally restrictive elements created in our crypto lab, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. 2023 0420 plus 0.29% $1. 1220230421 plus 4.11% $1 $16 202304 223.32% $1 08 20230423 plus 3.05% $1 15 20230424 plus 3.51% $1 15 202304 254.12% $1 07 202304 263.36% $1 08 202304 270.49% $1 11 202304 28 plus 1.75% $1 13 202304 294.65% $1 06 202304 30 plus 0.25% $1.12 THET. A value forecast 2023. Our expectation model sees a transitory change to a bear market toward the start of 2023. Preceding we move on to more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2023, showing how we especially expect whales and especially other genuinely greater players in the market to fundamentally wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike, or so they generally thought. 2023 May 14.14% $0 9552 2023 June 34.82% $0